Okay, we're recording. Hi. Hello. This is yet another little video, my sporadic posting. I apologize for that. Working a day job. You only get so much time, so much motivation. But we're back. We're attempting to learn C++. So, well, I kind of know C++. But you know what I mean. I also don't know C++, and perhaps you don't know what I mean. Okay. So, I was talking about, not having. Oh, my neck feels funny. About not having an actual game plan for the game itself. However, I just ran across a really snazzy idea about this guy recreated Minecraft in 2D. It was a lot of work. That guy did a lot of stuff. So I'm probably not going to do as much stuff, but I'm going to maybe make like a little overworld. Again, maybe not much for game mechanics, but like getting some little dude, getting a little dude to walk around a map. Maybe some tile generation, or perhaps we'll go in. Excuse me, another direction. Um, I really like Morrowind, so maybe, and I know that map by heart, so maybe we could implement parts of Morrowind in like 2D. That might be kind of fun. Uh, in any case, let's move forward. So, what the heck were we doing? We got something to the screen, I believe, but not necessarily displaying anything of value. I guess let's go ahead and run this, see what happens. Right, game. That's right. Okay, so let's bring this guy over. Let's do one of these. Game. Okay, let's do one of these. And actually, spread this out a little bit. There we go. Awesome. Okay. Every single time I come through this by name or category. So, I think what we need to do first and foremost is just draw something to the screen and then add like character controls. Or perhaps we don't add character controls and instead um, we do land generation first. But I know less about land generation than I do about like capturing input and relating that to game logic. So, I don't know. But what I do know is I'm not typing anything. So, we have kind of our basis for stuff here. I know it's popular to do like header files. I might do those. I don't really understand header file. You know what? Actually, let's go to GitHub really quick. So, let's go to my profile and how do you see? I followed somebody. Projects now. I followed somebody, but I'm not sure how to, check out their stuff. Okay. JDH GitHub. So this guy, yeah, here we are. JDH. So this guy does a lot of C and C++, and he does have a header file. Oh, and he does have a bunch of header files. Right. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. What's Pragma once? I knew this at one point. I once I knew about Pragma once. Pragma once is a non-standard but widely supported preprocessor directive designed to cause the current header to be included only once in a single compilation. Right. Right. Okay, that's fine. So okay, fine. SDL. Is there like a draw or something on here? Fill rect, right? You know, I maybe should continue along the tutorial path because let's see, 2D top down. That's kind of what I want for like Minecraft. All right. Opening a window, drawing the player. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, what a great website. Okay, opening a window. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, why? I get not supporting certain widths for your website. I was about to whine about mobile first development. Um, the first tutorial will explain how to open a window in SDL2, right? Oh, this is all like predetermined. And he does all sorts of stuff. Let's see. How does SDL2 load sprites? Boo, boo, boo. Probably has something, but I noticed. I really appreciate how some people can really just get up and go with this kind of stuff, but I have to do a lot of reading. Ooh, sprite sheets. There we go. Sprite sheets is exactly what we want. A black window appeared on the screen with an image of our choice. Then we moved the image across the screen. Eventually, we got bored. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is write a player class and do a lot of like composition here. OOP is fine. It's fine. The only reason I'm using C++ again is because it's something I never truly learned, which is different than, say, like, I could probably pick up and go with Java. C sharp, sure. JavaScript, definitely. TypeScript, definitely. Python, definitely. Kotlin, definitely. But C, C++, I feel like I get lost. Okay, so let's. I don't really know how. Oh, that's a whole thing, huh? What the heck is a module? Okay, let's keep this real simple. Oh, you know what? Let's see. Yeah, class. Yeah, let's do it this way. Player. So what I'm thinking about is this. Cool, it generates pragma ones for us. Let's look at C++ header files. Header files. Microsoft. Great. Yeah, I think we're just declaring a lot of stuff. Okay. So, um, oh, uh, use of namespaces. Um, provides a scope. Okay, yeah. I mean, I guess it makes sense. Scoping, fine. It's just, I don't know. I see it so much in C sharp, and I just use it without thinking, but I should do more thinking. Okay. Public. Right. We have to do like public stuff. So player. Because we probably want some sort of constructor. That's what I'm thinking of. And then later on, what I want to do is add sprites to do sprites. But instead, right now, we're just going to use like a fill rectangle. And right, and it takes in all sorts of stuff. And I think we did fill rect here. Screen surface is just the window surface. So let's learn more about SDL surfaces, a structure that contains a collection of pixels. Okay. Okay. So for right now, we'll probably have an SDL surface. SDL surface. Is that not? This is normally meant to show how to edit a surface pixels on the CPU, but normally you should use fill rect to wipe a surface's content. Yeah. And we take in pointers. I learned about pointers again. Okay, so why? Oh, we just need to like. There we go. Okay, so we need a surface, and then we'll probably. Okay, so we need. Wait, no, a surface. So a surface can go on top of a surface, right? I guess we'll figure that out. SDL fill rect. Now, what's so? We'll just call this sprite. To do get actual sprites from sprite map. Yeah, I know what that means. Okay. Oh, not fill rect. Just rect. SDL rectangle. Okay. So, what's difficult for me here, especially, is the fact that this is like a brand new language and a brand new library. Like, oh yeah, that's fine. Player, and then we'll say, but yeah, normally I'm able to just like go, but right now that's not so much the case, because I don't know enough about what I'm doing. So, okay, player. I guess for right now this is fine. Let's see if we can What other? Let's see. What else? We need like movement stuff. But I think that's going to come with input control. So maybe what we want to do is int well, render sprite. Oh, this isn't okay. This isn't C sharp. Render sprites, and then I think for right now that's fine. Okay, great. Do I have to manually save everything? Ugh. Okay. Then we have main CPP. How about player? Okay. Class player. This crap is so annoying. Is there, no, I'm not going to screw with that right now. Class player. But what I am going to screw with is that. Okay. Player. So we don't need anything right now. Let's see. How do header files work? My class. There's like no that's cute. Oh, they're just setting constants. Oh, constant, right? Constant expression. I've seen that before. Okay, so you can get the value of a function at runtime. Okay, this wasn't exactly great. We'll stumble through. Let's just let's see how it works. Surface doesn't know what the heck it's talking about. Okay. So SDL surface include SDL.h surface SDL rect sprite. And then we'll say, no, I don't know what we will say. Create RGB surface. Okay. Allocate a new RGB surface. Oh. Okay, I guess I was looking at old stuff. So let's just let's go back down to fill rectangle. Fill rectangle. Oh, geez. No, there's a whole other thing. Then, okay. Then I'll go back to SDL2. I don't... It's under heavy development. The API is constantly changing. It's okay. Legacy documentation. When I think legacy, I think like legacy. Okay. Then we just give it a color. Okay. Fill rect, and then let's go back one. Surface. Yeah. Create RGBT or RGBTQI plus. I'm quite accepting. Okay. So okay. Flags are unused should be set to 0. So we'll say surface equals SDL create RGB surface. And then 0 width, I don't know, say 16 by 16. Depth, what the heck is 1? I don't know. Red mask. Okay, so it is, yeah, it's RGB. So what's RGB for? Let's RGB color picker. How about that? That's a nice shade of blue. Okay. Yeah. What else? Oh, the alpha value. 100. And why is this? These are probably supposed to be pointers. I don't know the significance of... Well, I do. I do understand. Okay. I understand pointers. It's not that hard. Surface, and then we'll... fill the rectangle. So sprite equals SDL fill rectangle, probably. And then we have surface. Now, what do we do here? So yeah, we just don't have a rectangle. So hopefully that's fine. Wait. Wait. I'm probably doing this wrong, huh? I wonder if we can just like fill rect and not create a surface. Or if the surface itself should simply be main. That means we would need like a central file to be able to actually grab. What sucks is like, I'm like, oh, I do this and this in JavaScript if I was using the Canvas API. Okay, well, that's fine. How about... How about we do this? I know I should probably follow a freaking tutorial, but whatever. I like kind of stumbling my way through things. Okay, so let's just... What should we call this? Engine? And then... Oh, you know what? We should have an engine class. And this should be like... No, okay, I'm thinking too far ahead. I'm over-engineering. Let's start simple. SDL surface. Surface. Yeah. Oh. Include SDL.h. Right. Because every other language just does it for me, but not here. Okay, SDL surface. Engine. Oh. Public. Okay. Rad. Not playing that game. Okay. And then we need engine.h, and this is where we're going to rip some of this screen surface. Where the heck is, right? Screen surface is there. So what we're going to do, oh, window. We need window. Okay. All right. We're starting to organize our code a little bit. I don't know if any of this will work, but let's go back to engine. So window. Okay. And then okay. Let's put window before. Okay. So now we can initialize this stuff. Oops. Include SDL.h. You know what's funny is whenever I make videos like this and then people actually watch them half the time, they're like screaming at me through the screen. But this is how people learn, or this is how I learned. Oh, SLD. I was like, SDL. Okay. I don't know. This is how I tend to learn. Just kind of stumbling my way through it. I should probably read a tour of C++. Probably do a lot of things. Okay. Public SDL. We have a window, right? Window. Window, and then SDL surface. Surface. Engine. There we go. It feels good to actually like start typing stuff. Okay. So window equals, how did we go about doing that in here? Oh, right. We like create all of this. Oh, okay. So we need to be moving a lot of this code into here. So since we wrote a lot of this, let's just move that over here. Include IOStream. And then we're probably, that guy was talking about having a definitions file. I'll probably do that at some point. Const int screen width equals, we'll just do 720, 1080. Constant screen height equals 720. Okay. Huh. So what's the point of setting these constants here? Because I saw him doing it in here. Yes, include guards. Yeah. So you can like, oh, I see the constant expression stuff. Okay. Okay. So let's just include the definitions here, I guess. I hope that's how any of this works. Const int screen width equals 1080. Const int screen height equals 720. Radical. Okay. I'm going to start splitting out more functions. Oh my god. Can I just... Yes, thank you. Okay. It's probably super friendly for you guys to read because it's not for me. Alright. No tooltips? That's annoying. Okay. Whatever. Okay, so I don't just want engine. I want int initialize SDL. Oh, we don't want the definition. Int how about create window. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, rad. So let's start breaking this up. Int initialize SDL. No. Why is this all screwy? Is it because I'm like, it's just throwing a fit about these return ones? I swear. Screen. Oh. Surface. Okay, so why am I still airing out? Am I like missing that? Oh, that's annoying. Okay. What was it? Int initialize surface, I think. Oh, initialize SDL. Okay. Oh. Semicolons. Okay. And then what else do we have? Int create window. Wrong. Oh, I thought I heard a child screaming. As kids do. Okay. Okay. So now our constructor is a little cleaner. Things are a little more organized. So we'll if initialize SDL greater than or does not equal, oh yeah, it's not greater than 0, equals 0, we'll take happy path. Then we want to create window. Okay. Back in engine, I want, I don't know about you guys, but I want a teardown method. Oops. I don't mean to duplicate. Okay. Void teardown. Let's see. If window does not equal null, so we don't need to destroy the window if it's already null. I guess I don't. Oh, no. If else tear down. Dude, it's Visual Studio is like auto formatting my code for me. And that is not my favorites. Text editor, yeah. Code style, yes. General, formatting. I don't know. I'll screw around with that later. Tear down. Else. This might not be very efficient right here. Whatever. Alright, tear down. Okay, well, I think what we need to do is just reintegrate this stuff back into main and see if it loads or compiles, you know. I got some wily stuff going on. Okay. Okay. Rad. So we'll say engine equals, oh wait, I don't know how to I don't know how to initialize a class. Initialize class. Okay. Equals engine. engine. Oh. Really? How do you include your own god dang code? Wow, thanks. Oh my god. Include local file. Oh, I don't need. Okay. Man, could it really not tell me, hey, you should use. Oh. Okay. Engine.surface. Engine.surface. Okay. Engine.window. So this needs to be packaged. This right here, the like update and this stuff, we can make some sugar for ourselves. But let us see if this compiles. If it does, that was a pretty solid session for no. What's going on? Oh, so do I not do this crap in here? Okay. Wait, what the heck? Am I header files, man? I swear, like how yeah. I okay, so I don't need this stuff, right? Then but then all of this screws up. So it's like so I do need that stuff. Yeah, okay, yeah, exactly. So, okay, God, I hate W3 schools. It's just the website. I don't know. Okay. C++, um, H file, and CPP file. Okay. I guess I have a whole book next to me about how this works. I disagree with this statement. However, as classes get longer and more complicated, having all the member functions definitions inside classes can make the class harder to work with. I disagree. And I think a lot of modern programming languages disagree as well. Okay, yeah, constructor declaration. So how the hell? Okay, thank you. Oh. Oh, I remember this syntax. Okay. Engine. Okay, so we don't need this crap. Because it's all defined. Okay, I'm getting it now. I'm getting it now. Okay, so screen height equals 720. Screen width equals 1080. And I think that stuff can be defined here. Okay. All right. It's all come together. Equals 720. You know, being able to language hop is actually incredibly important, even if you sit here and struggle a little bit. At least in my job, I am required to kind of language hop. I work contractually in that I get different contracts and work with different clients. And so, okay, there we go. Awesome. Let's do the same thing for player. But anyway, yeah, you know, it's like being able to just hop around languages, pick up stuff, and learn is incredibly important. And then player. Do we even what? Oh. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, these need to be pointers. And then render sprites. We'll just go ahead and we will come back to this. Int player render sprite. We'll come back to this. Okay. Let's come back to this too. Okay, let's build. See what happens. No. What's okay. Those shouldn't even be declarations anymore. Wait, what? Oh, return 0. Ah, okay. Engine. There we go. Let's just go ahead and build again. It's because we're running the game. Boyo. Oh boy. Ah, geez. That's awesome. That's great. That's great. We all right. You know, learning a little bit every time. Okay, let's close this. See if we can wrap up the player class really quick. I don't think we need a surface, but what I do think we need is an engine. And wait. Oh. I'm going to have to read about pointers in C++. Oh, geez, right. They have like all sorts of stuff. Okay. Let's just take that. Oh, man. That's a thing. Yeah, I need to learn. I know how pointers work in C. Like, it's not, you know, but pointers in C++ are can be handled the same. I just don't think they should be. Okay, so So what are we doing here? We still have more code in main main CPP, but to do move below to engine player. Oh, to engine.h. We'll just say to engine. Okay. So nice. We'll take this. And this is all. Why would we write hexadecimal? Why not just 255? I mean, it can take hex. I just don't see why. Okay. Let's go back here. We had like a color picker. Yeah, okay. How about 66, 132, 245. Engine.surface. And what else do we do in here? Oh, we need to update the window. So, update window. Engine.window. Nice. Okay, so if I say player equals player, and we include player.h. Not bad for someone who doesn't know any C++. Well, I guess that's not true. I have some some experience, but I've forgotten a lot of it, to be honest. Okay. Well, so we'll say oh. I don't think we need that at the moment. Let's just do this. Render sprite. Will it build? Oh, geez. That's like the whole. Okay. Okay, so it fills the whole frickin' screen. And we can't close the game. Okay, that's actually really rad. Really cool. Looks like we had two surfaces there. Hold on. We should only have one surface. So we might need SDL rectangle on surface. Okay. God, what is it? Oh. What? Is this? Do you really need all of that for a rectangle? Okay, here, hold on. And nowhere in here is he calling Phil wrecked. Okay, here. Or null to fill the entire surface. Awesome. So we do need a rectangle, and let's go ahead and initialize it, and we're almost at an hour. So hopefully, you know, hopefully we can wrap this up. So we'll say sprite equals SDL rect. We'll just do 0, 0, and then 16, 16. Really? Oh, they're data fields. Oh, you have to set them. Oh, so okay. Not a pointer. Okay. Sprite dot x equals 0. Sprite dot y equals 0. Sprite dot w equals. Are doing 32. We'll do 32. Sprite dot h equals 32. Okay. Oh, huh. Oh, okay. They're passing the address. Oh, no. That totally makes sense. Pass by reference. Okay. I just like don't ever use this stuff in any language that isn't C or C++. So, all right. See, it's like rendering double surfaces for some reason. Okay. But I'm not really sure why. We initialize SDL, and then we create a window. All right, we're at the hour mark. Maybe I just need to call it here. I'm just annoyed. Creating a window. All right, and then surface is this. And if we come to player, then we see engine. And if we come here, here, STL rendering 2 windows. Okay. That didn't help, huh? I like how we were able to properly size our rectangle, though. I'm happy about that. But not as happy about the double window thing. And I am wondering why that is. So engine is initialized. So we're just accessing it directly. I don't think we need to be using like. Right? No, of course not. Here. SDL is creating two windows. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh my god. Okay, that's not what I want. I mean, if we come here to main, then. Oh! Wait, no, I don't think we want that anymore. We create the window. Yeah, okay, this stuff, yeah, needs to go. This needs to go in here. So I planned. Okay, getting more code out of the way. So we go to engine, we initialize, great. We draw, that's great. But the second we initialize player, it's like creating a new window. Right? If we comment that out and build, then what do we get? We get one window. Oh. It's not good to have that. It's not good. All right, guys. I think that's not good. Why is it deep? Why? What? Oh, okay. I think I know what's going on. And this is totally just because I'm not paying close enough attention. So, actually, let's go up here. There we go. Okay. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. Okay. Uh, so now if we do this. Rad. Cool. Okay, cool. We stumbled our way through this, and it's kind of working now. Awesome. Thanks for the couple dozen people that even come across my videos. Not really that I don't really care about your support, but it's kind of cool that people interact with this stuff, and maybe you're learning something, or at least watching me fail. I've been programming 9 years, and I've been failing a lot that entire time. But we were failing fast. We were resolving issues fast. My Google foo wasn't that great. So I was able to resolve this stuff myself, and I think that's awesome. Okay, gonna end it. Y'all have a good one.